Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from the United States. There is a story about this item. When I went to Osaka for the second time, I saw a pair of black shoes, Supersole, as I've been reading a lot of reviews on the said pair of boots as the most comfortable Moc tool boots of Red Wing. And I was intrigued, and when I was in Osaka, I tried to fit a pair of this 8831, which is a Supersole, and I found it very wide on my feet because the available size is in the E width, and I usually use D or normal width in my Red Wing boots. So I did not buy the said item. Instead, I bought a Beckman boots, and that's the only Red Wing boots that I bought when I went to Japan last September. However, in November, as I was browsing in my computer, I found out that there is a seconds being sold by Berkeley Supply Store in Colorado, USA. And I found out that they are offering the D size width. And immediately I ordered 8.5D in the Supersole 8831. And after 2 weeks, it arrived in the Philippines. But it's only now that I was able to get it because I've been on vacation for almost half of December. And it was only last week that I was able to get the said item. This is a seconds of 8831 from the Berkeley, and we're going to unbox it. What I like about Berkeley Supply is they only use one pack, which is the white one, and sometimes it's only very light. And it's good because this item is sent through Johnny Air Cargo, and they measure the weight, and depending on the weight of the item, they're gonna charge you of the said fee or shipping fee depending on the weight. So oh, I'm sorry, this one is the 8133. I thought it is 8831. So this is, I rearranged the number. So this is the 8133 in 8.5D from Berkeley. And we will try to open the box and find out what is the defect of these boots. Going to bring out, so you have a very nice black color of the leather. And I'm trying to find out if what is wrong with these boots, because it was offered as a seconds. So you have the sole. It is called Supersole 8133. You have, of course, 4 eye holes or eyelets, and then you have 3 pairs of quick lace. I'm trying to find out what is the defect. I don't know if there is a defect at all. Maybe that. No, it's a blemish on the color. So far so good. You have some warping, but I don't think this is a problem on the leather. We will get the other one. So far so good. Surprisingly, this pair of boots is very, very light. Nice moc toe. I don't see any defect. So as you can see, you have the red wing. Inscribed on the leather. You have a very nice uppers. I don't see any defect or defects on this Supersole. So I'm trying to look if there are any defects, but I think there's none. This is good. So that is my unboxing video for this Supersole 8133, and the next video will feature a fitting video of this very nice Supersole 8133 from Red Wing. I can see no defects, and it is because it is night time. We'll try to find out tomorrow with the sunlight if there are any blemishes on the leather or any manufacturer defects on these boots. So with that, thank you very much for watching, and thank you. And if you have any comments on these boots, please place your comments on the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching once again, and have a good day. Bye.